Get excited about the 2022 Tesla Model 3. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power trunk closing assist, heated front and rear seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.